Hi guys, we are going to see how to make a mini fan. Now, see, you should take a spare wire, a connector, a battery, switch, fan and DC motor. First, you should take the direct current motor and fix it into the fan. Next, you should take the connector and connect it into the battery like this. Then, you should connect the red wire in the switch. The spare red wire again connected into the switch. Now you should on the switch for testing. First you should take something and keep it on that, and you should test. Black is negative, red is positive. See, it's spinning. And let's test it.